Hi there everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Not too long ago I reviewed this instrument. It's the Hricane UK-23. It's their entry-level uh, concert ukulele, sapele. It's not overwhelming in terms of looks. It isn't shiny, but it has some nice features and it was actually a pretty decent instrument. I've been pretty pleased with what I've seen out of Hricane overall. Now the other day I was looking at Amazon, and I'll look at a couple places like keepa.com to see if there are any ukulele bargains. And what popped up was another Hricane. And while this Hricane sent me a discount code for it, so it was basically kind of like 40% off when I bought it. This one was not through any special deal with Hricane. It was just the price it was selling at, and I thought, well, it's a different instrument. I like to review ukuleles, and I had a $20 gift card. So for $19.99, it ended up being, actually I had a $25 Amazon gift card, so it was $21.04 by the time that taxes were included. So here is the Amazon box. So it's just an unboxing, and again, just to remind you that an unboxing on my channel is really a way to give you a first look at an instrument and let you know what's coming in the near future. So here we go. It is a concert ukulele. All right. Put that down there. So there you go, your Hricane box. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it's something rattling around. There is the same case. It originally said that it was supposed to come in a fabric case, but this one is a little bit blue. Kind of liking that, and we'll take a look at that in a second. It's just a little piece of cardboard rattling around, so I'll throw that over there. Yeah, I kind of like that blue. I'm digging that. I've been pretty impressed by Hricane's bags. The hook on the inside, lightly padded shoulder straps, not really padded handle, but there's a little padding there, but not like extra, like any cushioning around it, but just kind of a strap material. And let's see what it looks like. This one also has the removable neck block in it, which again is a nice feature that you don't see in a lot of ukuleles. And here is the instrument. Now, can you already see the difference between this one and the other? Here we go. You've got the Hricane logo on the top. A little bit different headstock, a little different shape between the two. All right, as we keep going down, you've got closed geared tuners. You can hear the sharp fret ends as I take off the plastic. That's okay, sharp fret ends are easy to deal with, but not for necessarily a beginner. And here we go. So what you have here is a spruce top, and I don't think it's solid spruce. I'll have to look later with my glasses and bright light to see if I can see the wafer layers, but I think it's a laminate spruce top with it's either going to be mahogany or sapele back in the sides. I'll have to look at the actual model number. You can hear the fret ends there. But you have a little different bridge. You can see that one happens to be a slotted bridge rather than a tie bar bridge. A little different shape. I kind of like it. Like the etching around the sound hole. There are side position markers and fretboard markers at 5, 7, 10, 12, and 15. Looks like 16, 17, 18 frets, 14 to the body. And yeah, so that's what we're looking at. A little bit of ABS binding on the side, but no purfling of any kind. And you do get strap buttons, where ironically on this one, you did not. They included that little kit. Now this thing didn't come as a kit. You do get the nice bag. Again, I'm really digging that blue. But you don't get a tuner, you don't get a strap, you don't get anything else. As I'm looking, there does seem to be an imperfection. I don't know if you can see it in the lighting. Right there in the top, a little scuff mark. I don't know if I can get the right light in it for you to see that. But from one angle, there's definitely a scuff in there. but that's okay. So this was $19.99 for some unknown reason. I don't think it's currently there, but it wasn't an open box. It was brand new, selling for $19.99, and I had a $25 Amazon gift card. So it's really not as bad out of tune, relatively. I'll do it one more time, just to make sure. All right, let's just do a little sound test for you. All right, now let's see if we can hear the difference. Laminate spruce top, laminate sapele top. Laminate spruce, still ringing. Laminate sapele. Yeah, interesting. So, two Hricane instruments, slightly different builds, slightly different qualities. Some things are the same. These, the back and sides, this looks more like mahogany. This is a sapele. I think this is mahogany. I'll have to look up the specs later. Now, this will be coming later on in a review. So watch for that. It'll be a few weeks. I've got some companies that are sending me ukuleles. And when I am sent an ukulele, I bump up those instruments in the review because, again, they're coming free for review purposes. So I feel like I should increase those ahead of instruments that I just buy with my own money. So with that, this one will be coming eventually. So thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.